There will come a moment in your life when one choice, one single decision, will change everything. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right here, right now. Most people don't recognize that moment until it's gone. But winners, the ones who rise from nothing, they act. They decide. What if the rest of your life depended on the decision you make today? Think about it. Every great story started with a decision. A moment when someone said, enough. A moment when they stopped waiting and started building. Steve Jobs decided to leave college and build Apple. J.K. Rowling decided to keep writing after rejection. Michael Jordan decided to never let failure define him. It wasn't luck. It wasn't magic. It was a choice. A single moment when their future split into two paths, one of mediocrity and one of greatness. And that same power lives inside you, right now. But here's the truth most won't admit. We all hesitate. We all fear the unknown. We fear losing. We fear judgment. We fear change. You keep waiting for the right time. Guess what? There's no such thing. The right time is a lie your comfort zone tells you to keep you small. You think staying the same is safe? It's not. Indecision is a decision. And it's the decision to let your potential die quietly. The people who win in life aren't the smartest. They're not the most talented. They're the ones who decide faster, who take action sooner, who step forward when others freeze. So let me ask you this. What decision are you avoiding right now? What opportunity are you letting slip through your fingers because you're scared? This is your turning point. That dream you keep thinking about, it's waiting on one thing, your decision to start. Decide to wake up earlier. Decide to commit. Decide to believe in yourself when no one else will. Decide to move, even when the road isn't clear. One decision to stop making excuses. One decision to go all in. One decision to say, this is my time. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to decide and take the first step. 5 years from now, you will look back at this moment. You will remember the choice you made today, and it will either fill you with pride or regret. Your future is being built right now, in this second. You can't rewind. You can't undo. You can only decide. You were not born to be average. You were born to make impact, to create change, to rewrite your story. And it all starts with one decision. Today, you have a choice. Keep waiting or decide to change your life. Right here, right now. If you're ready to stop talking and start doing, hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And most importantly, take action. Your future self is waiting. Because one decision can change everything.